Are you tired of trying to get better at chess? Tired of generic advice? Well, then, you have come to the right place. I'm DC, rated 2200 plus, and I'm here to help you get better at chess. We'll be going over 7 strategies that will change the way you play chess. Strategy number 1: fix your openings. You must understand that the purpose of an opening is to ready your pieces for battle against the enemy. Don't overcomplicate it. Here's how you can master an opening in 3 simple steps. Step number 1: pick an opening. I advise you to try the Queen's Gambit with white and the Caro Can with the black pieces. Step number 2: watch YouTube videos on the opening. Step number 3: implement the openings in game. Strategy number 2: solve at least 15 puzzles regularly. I know it's boring, but it got my rating up to 2200 plus. Moving on to strategy number 3: consume the right type of chess content. You must consume entertainment and knowledge of chess at the same time. I recommend the following YouTube channels for each topic. Strategy number 4: learn to calculate like a pro in 3 simple steps. First, you need to understand what a candidate move is. It is simply a move which you consider in a given position that you think is good. Let's assume you are playing white here. The first step is to evaluate the position. There are 4 metrics which you should consider to evaluate a position. The first one is material. Who has more material? Here the material is equal. The second metric is king safety. Whose king is safer? The third metric is pawn structure. Whose pawns are well organized? And the fourth is whose pieces are more active, piece activity. So in this position, everything seems to be in the balance. And so let's move on to step number 2. You need to consider 2 candidate moves. So I'm thinking of some moves. I'll consider knight e4 because it's kind of centralizing the knight really quickly and provokes black. And I'll consider h3 to stop the knight. So in step 2, we have considered 2 candidate moves. Now in step 3, we need to evaluate which one is better. I feel like h3 is too slow in this position because black is going to develop really fast. So I like knight e4 more. Now I have settled for this move. I'll quickly calculate. Knight takes, rook takes. Yes, this seems all right. My queen is coming out. My rook will come out onto this open file perhaps. My knight has good prospects. I encourage you to practice this 3 step framework because trust me, if you master this, you will skyrocket your ELO. Up until now, you have learned how to fix your openings, use tactics to skyrocket your ELO, consume the right type of chess content, and how to calculate in chess. And we'll learn a lot more in the coming 3 tips. Moving on to strategy number 5: fix your weaknesses, learn what you don't know. If you don't know what to do against a specific opening line, learn it. For example, if you play e4 with white and your opponent plays the Sicilian with c5, you should not be clueless. You can prepare one of these. Just be ready for everything that your opponent plays that is common. Strategy number 6 is one of the most important. Let's go into camera mode for this one. Strategy number 6: learn to lose. Wait a minute, I didn't come to this video to lose. I came to this video to improve my rating, to win. I understand. But even when your rating is improving, losses will happen. In the early stages of my chess journey, when I used to lose, I used to get angry and I used to play more and more and more games. I used to lose more, and that caused tilt, and I stopped playing for a few weeks. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Here's how you stop it: you play a set amount of games daily. For example, I play a maximum of 2 games daily and analyze them thoroughly. It doesn't matter whether I win, lose, or draw. I will analyze them and use that opportunity to improve at chess. So promise me, the next time you lose, you will calm down and instead of raging, Just click on the analysis button and head over to the analysis tab and just see what mistakes you made. Be consistent. If you lose 2 times in a row, stop playing. Play the next day, but never quit chess for a long period of time. The final tip, tip number 7, get a life outside of chess. What I mean by this is don't be that nerd who spends 25 hours a day playing online chess. Go to over the board tournaments, join a chess club, make chess friends. At the end of the day, a game like chess is just to broaden our understanding of the world. It's to make meaningful connections and to improve our life. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Follow DC Chess Academy for more guides and tips. Train to win.